Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Huawei Freebuds SE2 with your Android phone. To do this, you have to open this charging case, remove both earbuds, and now open the Bluetooth settings. Click to pair new device, and click and hold on the left and the right one on this touch sensors. You have to keep holding until you will find your earbuds on the list. There we go. So right now, release and go to the pairing. So click on them, accept the pairing right now. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. You can also try to get the application for them. So type AI Live. If you cannot find this application right here, I can recommend you to open the the browser, and you can type the AI Live application. So here you have to enter for the official Huawei website, and you just have to download this application. And I already have this app, so I'm not gonna get it for the second time. And when I open it, as you can see, I can find the earbuds on the list. So I'm gonna click update. Okay, and as you can see, if it takes too much time, I can recommend you to perform this the soft reset of the application. So simply turn it off and then turn it on. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.